So guys, we're going to play, 99 Nights. Hindi ko to kaya, charot lang. Naman nito mga to. Tagal ay. Parang tanga naman kasi. You jump. Charot. Can someone please join me, bitch? Nah. Bye-bye. I'm not actually winning. Why Yeah. I want to join. What the hell? What the hills? Join to me. Yo, join. Yo. Yo, guys. Can someone please make some 5? And don't leave. Full time. You make it 5. Make it 5. Someone please imagine how to. Someone join. No. So guys, we're going to play. You know it. Surviving 99 Nights. You know it. So guys, I speak. You know it. What the hell? I'm sorry guys, I didn't teleport. Don't arty. Please don't arty like the arty. Hands up. Say that every day. Bro. Yes. Why everybody don't want? Bro!
Song, tapos parang kumakanta tayo. Parang karaoke song na kumakanta tayo. Tapos sa video. Paano yun? Di ba kumakanta yun? Ganito. Yun natin. Yung ano niya, ito parang tugtog niya lang. Walang salita. Tapos tayo
Guys,
salita.
help me please. My account actually hacked. Her nickname is Carl and What do you mean the hack? Himuunta ang aton group 5. So guys, putol yung laro. Mag-grow agad din na tayo guys. Let's join to my friends. Yes, we're going to our friend. And yes. I'm super noob. I'm in 1 trillion, Bro! No jump button. I'm sorry guys. Sorry.
Tita.
I can't even redirect
What's
it.
your name?
Yes. Yes. Let's see. Oh, I didn't cook. She said salad. I don't know how to make salad, guys. I only
Apple,
this.
pouting, apple,
Yes.
pouting,
Yeah. Soap and smoothie and candy apple. That's what I make.
apple.
And stock is
Kawa.
apple. Yes. Bro. Didn't fully grown. Yes. Yeah. Still 13 hours.
Mamit na yung payo mo, ating undi.
Bro, I like to have that, but I don't like being beggars. I don't like being beggars. I'm not a beggar, guys. I just only give other people's. So, guys, add me. This is my phone. This is my account, and this is my cosmetics. Yeah, I still have one more egg. Yeah, this. I mean this. I still have one more. Yeah, that's my pet. So, did I make some? So we're going to make this. I don't have any ingredients. Bro, I sell it. I delete it, I mean. Bruh. This is the easiest. Sugar apple. Candy coating. Crown. Sugar apple. Mango. Crown melon. Strawberry. Okay. And the soup. What is this soup? Any plants? Wow.
Bamboo. Mami man yung bamboo.
So in my account, I have this.
Bamboo.
I have this Trunkle Blossom. If you see Carl playing Grow a Garden, yeah, I don't care to him. I don't care. If you have Mimic Octopus in my account, bawit lang tayo next time. Yeah, no. Where's? Yeah. Let's see what this does. Do this. Yeah. Prismatic Nani. Every 20 minutes launches curse energy at 9 different fruit. Each fruit has 20.99% to mutate corrupt chakra. Sorry, with a very rare chance for corrupt fox. Yes, I forgot to delete this. Siya lang ang gusto ko, charot. No. No stock. In stock in the gear shop is only Godwin. Yeah. So that's for all, guys. And bye bye, and add me this. And this is starter. Bye. Bye bye.